Alright, I figured I'd make a quick little video showing how to get this trigger lock pin out. Now, most of the times, the rest of the pins, easy peasy. All you gotta do is take your punch, press them through, right? We'll do the next one. Now, this one always tends to give me problems. Right up here. Now, there's a couple little tools and there's an awesome little trick that I figured out. So, first, you'll need a jeweler's hammer. Now, if the jeweler hammer doesn't work so well, go to your junk drawer, grab the biggest hammer you got. For pins that are really stuck, you can use a poorly maintained drill press, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Next, you want to grab the cheapest Chinese torch you can from your poorly maintained work area. And now, this step is a little optional, but you can always grab your favorite tactical didgeridoo. Now that you've gathered all that, what you'll need to do is take this little slide lock here, start to wiggle it. And let me see if I can do this so I don't get a shadow on the... Alright, so you wiggle, and it's as simple as that.